Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going through unpacking my new microscope from amscope. So stay tuned. I'll probably time lapse the first bit where I'm unpacking it because well, as you can imagine, it takes a while. And then when I get into the smaller boxes, I'll play it from there. So enjoy. So that's the nice big box gone. If I can find my knife. So in here, these will probably be your different lenses. Your eye. That's your 2 tons. Really need to sort of camera and change it. Keeps focusing into the wrong section. This is 0.5, which obviously you won't be able to see because the camera's crap. The all important plug. Take that on holiday with you if you would. Little travel adapter. So here is the light, which goes on the end of it, from what I've seen as well. If you get one without a light, you'll know about it. So I've got the light. This should hopefully be the camera. Yeah. So I've decided to go for one with the camera, just when I'm doing these videos, and that helps show more what I'm doing. So nice, pretty simple. I'll just mount on top. Get lenses, but I'll not open all of these up yet. I'll wait until I've got it all pretty much set up. That's your end piece. Sit on the arm like that. And then you put your microscope on there. All goes up. And then the last box to open is the microscope itself. Which is a very big box. Careful that I don't cut into it. Because I do sometimes get a little bit impatient and just go crazy. Like a big kid at Christmas. Instructions. Sellotape across it again. Voila. Got the cover to cover it up. Little Allen key. Hoping there's some eye guards in here. Got some eyepieces. Looks very well made though. Like I say, very well packaged. Now there's some cheaper brands out there, but I did decide to go with the amscope. Yeah, when you're spending a fair bit of money, from what I've heard, if you buy the knockoff ones, they're not as well made, and it's that old buy cheap, buy twice. So now I've got the fun bit of trying to connect it all up, which I will probably connect it and then start the video again, because who knows, I could be here a while. So, see you in a bit. Well, there you have it. So I managed to install it. I haven't connected the camera up yet though, just purely because I haven't got time at the moment. I need to nip out. But yeah, I've had to bolt it on there. I did one out at the back, but I couldn't fit it. All the bits for it. Cables, at least my extension cable's right near it. So now all I'll do is connect the software up, get the camera sorted out, and then wait for my other bits to turn up and start engraving. But yeah, overall really happy with it. Happy with the packaging, how it all turned out. It's good. So see you soon.